Okay guys, now we're gonna make some bindings, some outputs. So okay, we're gonna add on case 1, which was reset when you press the wrong button in the code. Then key button 1 will be reset. No wait, it will be lock, lock. And now we're just gonna do it like this. We're gonna select that thing, press copy, and put in paste a couple of times. Then we're gonna change the second one to button 2 to button 3. So you have one of each button, so every button locks when you press the wrong button. And paste again, so I have 9. And paste one more time, so instead of having lock, we will take in unlock. And you must take in this on the first button in the code. So my first button in the code is 9, so I'm gonna take in 9. And you may want to take in some after a delay of seconds. I'm gonna take in after 3 seconds. So when you press the wrong button in the code, you won't be able to re-enter the code until 3 seconds has passed. Okay, so this is the reset thingy. Now we're gonna add the case 2. If you're gonna in case here again, case 2 is 9 to 4. So when you press 9, something will happen. And yeah, when you press 9, 9 will lock because you have already pressed that button. And that you don't need to. Well, you're not supposed to be able to repress it, because if you repress it, you enter the wrong code. You enter 99. So we will lock that button. And we will also unlock a button. So I'm gonna add again on case 2 key button, next button in the code, which I can look here on my case info, which is 4. So I'm gonna add button 4 unlock. Okay, and now we're gonna repeat this with everything here. So now we will have add on case 3, which you can see 4 to 3 on case 3, button 4 lock, add on case 3 button on case 3 button 3 unlock. Button 3, there we go, and unlock. Now if you don't understand the class thingy, well, it's important you enter the right thing in the beginning, because this is basically the code. So yeah, case 2, 9 to 4, which means when you press number 9, 4 will unlock and 9 will lock. Now you can press 4, so if you press 4, 4 will lock and 3 will unlock, and all the way to 8. If you press any wrong button, case 1 will be activated, and then you will reset everything, so every button will lock, and then 9 will unlock after a certain amount of time, so you can re-enter the code and try again. Okay, so where were we? On case 3. Now we're gonna add on case 4 button 3 lock, add on case 4 button 8 unlock. Now we're gonna add the last thing. If you look on class info again, case 5 is 8 to activate. So then we're gonna take in on case 5 button 8 lock, and now and also we're gonna add what happens when you fill in the right code on case 5, which is my func door open. You can also go in on the door and shows how many times it will have before reset, so it will be open for a while. Press apply. You could also on the door, I can show you, take in delay before reset -1. No wait, I'm sorry, wrong thing. Okay, here, delay before reset -1. Then it will stay open, and on the logic case thingy, I'll put add on case 5, which was the last thing, func door close after a certain amount of time. So you will choose this, the time between when it opens and when it closes. I'm gonna have like 10 seconds just because it's a tutorial. You may want to have longer so the player that have entered the code can do something with the door. Okay, now we're done with all the case thingy. Now we're gonna do some things with the buttons. And now we will do the code on the buttons. So if you go in on the first button in the code, for me it's 9, which since I have the code 9438. So I'm gonna go in on 9, and yeah, now we're gonna do like this. You go to outputs, you go to add, you go to onPressed, keypad case, in value. Now since you are on the 9th button, the first button in the code, I will have 9, and then 2 to the next button, and I have 9 to 4, and then 4 to 3, and then 3 to 8, and then 8 to 8. So now I'm gonna have 9 to 4. As you may recognize, it's the thing used in the logic case. Here, 9 to 4. Okay, next button in the code is number 4. Outputs. Add onPressed keypad case in value, and then it's now button 4 to 3. Apply. Go to your next button in the code, do the same thing, add onPressed keypad case in value, this button to the next button, 3 to 8. And on the last one, remember what you added. I had activate. If you have open, you need to type in open, of course. Same thing on the other buttons. If you have changed like not 9 to 4 and instead you have 9 to 4 or whatever, remember what you take. In value 8 to activate. Press apply. Now we're gonna go in on every button in the code. No, we're gonna go in on every button. Yeah, we're gonna take in outputs, add on use locked keypad case in value reset. Now this is just the thing when you press the wrong button. When you press a button that is locked, everything will reset. Even if you press a button that is in the code but not supposedly in the right order of the code. So when you're supposed to press 8, you press 9, and then everything will reset. So yeah, you just copy this, and you go to the next button. We're gonna do like this instead. I'm gonna move it down, and you just press in paste, and you paste this in on every button. Oh yeah, this is something else. Paste it in, paste it in, paste it in, paste it in. If you forget one button, when you press this button, nothing will happen. So you need to put in a reset on every button. Otherwise, there is a button which won't do anything, or maybe just open another button. So yeah, that won't work. Press apply. So yeah, guys, now we're done. Now we're gonna add some extra things. So yeah, to make this keypad a bit more professional and more realistic. So yeah.